Hi, this is Mimi.
This is Emmy.
Welcome to the channel. So we have a little treat for today. We're going to be testing out a toy Blizzard Blast.
Okay.
It says looks and feels like real snow. Let's see if it's really cold.
Oh.
Newspaper down or a paper plate on a surface for easy cleanup. Our paper plate. Check. Open instant snow packet by clipping one corner of the packet to create a pour spout. Carefully pour the snow into the top of the mountain, making sure not to spill. Gently shake the mountain to evenly distribute the snow across the bottom of the mountain. Place the mountain on a flat surface. Pour water into the top of the mountain until it is filled to the brim.
I gotta do it.
Sit back and watch magic happen as blizzard blasts from the mountain. Oh my goodness, if a blizzard blasts in the mountain, this whole room is going to be destroyed.
No. Yay!
And it says it lasts for weeks and is reusable. Blizzard Blast grows to piles of instant snow. It's amazing. Let's see. Okay, so here's our Blizzard Blast. Changes in an instant. Let's see if it really makes mounds of snow. Just add water.
Yes.
Paper plate to set our mountain on.
And some
Some napkins for just in case.
And some water.
Because that's all we need is
Dirty water.
just add water.
Dirty water.
It's not dirty. That's clean water.
No, it's not.
All right. Let's check it out.
Okay.
All right, here we go. Let's open up the packet.
I could open it this way. I take it all off.
Make sure you show everybody.
I could.
Open it up.
Help me.
All
Make
right.
a little hole.
Okay, yeah, she's right. This is kind of hard to open. Oh, there we go.
I'm a demon open package.
Make sure you show everybody. What do we got?
Snow mountain.
Our little mountain. All right.
I know
Let's pull out of our snow.
Our like sugar snow. It's called sugar. It's like sugar.
This is going to blast out of the mountain
mountain.
and make a blizzard in the room. Let's see.
Let's see this. Let's put
We
this
have
on here.
little powder. That's our snow.
Let's put this on here.
Well, we'll hold the napkin on the side just in case. Let's put this over here.
Okay.
All right. So
First,
let's go
put
ahead.
some snow.
We're going to record this up close.
Okay.
Be right back.
Bye. Look at the snow. It looks stupid.
All right. Here we go. We got our mountain.
I pour water first.
We got to pour. No, it said we pour our snow.
See it? People? You're not gonna be bad. You see it? Good. You see
All right. I don't know. Maybe we should go put on some protective gear instead of putting a blast snow out of the top. I think I'm a little scared.
I'm a little scared.
You're scared too, Emmy?
I'm not.
No? All right. It said gently shake to make sure it's even. And let's go ahead
But
and
water.
pour the water now. Pour it all the way to the top.
Do.
All right.
I'm scared too.
We'll
It's
go
good
ahead
to
and
do.
do that one. And I'm scared. Here. Over. And
Oh, this works. I see magic already happen. It's getting crazy on this face. Oh my god.
huh. It said pour it to the top. Uh-oh.
Oh no.
You gotta actually watch it. Let's see what's happening.
What's happening?
That looks like snow.
I want to feel it already.
It's blasting out the top. Like they said, not quite blasting all over the room, but whoa, it's growing. It's like a monster. Oh no! We should have got a bigger plate. Oh!
feel it. I want to
Oh no!
feel it.
Go
I
ahead, honey.
Yeah.
Is it cold?
No.
No!
It's just powder.
It's not cold? Oh no, what? That's not snow. That's diaper filling.
Or not. I want to grab the whole thing out of there.
Here, let it all fill up first. Let's see how much snow it's gonna make.
Fake snow.
Wow, that didn't take very much water. I thought I was gonna have to use the whole cup here. Oh my goodness, look at that.
Look. What feels so?
It's just pouring out on its own.
Can you put more baby
You
powder?
see how it's just popping out?
Why is popping out? It's not any scary.
I mean, it's not cold. It's not actually snow.
I'm sad, but
Yeah, that's kind of sad because it's so hot in Arizona.
What is cold in Arizona? But where's this is? I want to feel like. Oh, this side is cold. It's cold here. Oh. And you put some hot water.
No, I put cool water in. Well, we seen something like this at Walmart for $10, so for $1 you can't beat it. And it says it dries up and you can reuse it, so let's check this out.
Let's dig in it. I want to dig in it.
You want to dig in it?
I want to dig in it. Dig it out. Oh my god! Oh my god!
Oh my goodness, where is it all coming from? All that just came out of that one little mountain?
But I'm sad it's not real snow.
Yeah.
But it's super cool though.
Here's the napkin. That's what the napkin is for. Yeah, so it's kind of dry. It's fun to play with. It's
I
not
want
cold,
to
but
scoop it.
I mean, hey, it looks like snow. Careful, don't make a mess. It is kind of messy, so you would probably want more than just a paper plate. And Emmy's gonna have some fun with it. So we're gonna say our goodbyes
Bye.
and let her have fun.
Have so fantastic day. Oh no. No.
Alright. Alright, well, that was pretty fun.
Yeah, but it's not real snow.
Yeah,
but
not real snow,
so
so.
man.
Well, it worked halfway, so I didn't think it
Yeah.
was gonna work at all. Didn't blast us with snow though, but
And face.
yeah.
Oh, no, I want to eat some.
No, do not eat that snow. It is not edible.
What happened is going in our mouth.
Get you sick. Anyway, we got this snow for $1, so it was well worth it. Thanks for watching, and please subscribe so you can join our fun family.
It's a fun family in our house. I'm not gonna told you. You're gonna be part of our fun family.
Bye.
Bye and peace out. And putting more snow.
What are you doing with it?
Making an explosion out here. Out of this world. A cat looking at it. Go away, cat. Go away. Okay, funny over there. Explode, explode. And I can make it a little tippy. And let's stop it. We got some on the table now. But scoop it all up. Scoop. Oh.